guys, welcome back to today's video. Hope you guys are all doing well. In today's video, I'm going to be doing my makeup and I'm going to be testing out this 15-piece set of brushes that I got from Amazon. You're going to be seeing a close-up picture of these in a second. And I'm going to be testing these brushes out for you guys to let you know the quality of them. And I do have maybe 4 or maybe 5 set of brushes that I got from Amazon that are really good quality, although they were about £5 and change. And sometimes you just really can't discount the cheap brushes because they are really good. I do have a set of brushes in my collection from Amazon that I've had for a very long time, but I do like these, and this seems to be pretty much sturdy. Let me just put the plastic on the ground right now. So again, you just saw the video right there, and the brushes look like they look and feel pretty good. It depends on how they wash, because usually when I wash my brushes, I don't soak my brushes in water. I just wash the bristles and I use Cream of Nature shampoo and put a little bit of conditioner on them, and that's how I wash my brushes, because I don't really want the water to get in here, because with any brushes it's going to ruin it. And the set of brushes looks really good. You do have the powder brushes here. This is probably maybe a blush brush. And you do have an angled brush as well. You can probably just do your concealers. I mean, you can use your brushes for anything. And usually when I'm picking up brushes, I always try to find like a good, maybe 1 or 2 blender brushes. So this is a blender brush looks like. This is a crease brush for the crease right there. You do have a flat brush to do those cut creases. And so you're going to see how this is going to work today. So I'm going to be using this set of brushes only to do my makeup. It's going to be a really simple look today. And I haven't done my eyebrows yet, so we're going to do that. And this is the eyebrow brush right here. You have the brush on one side and then you have the comb on the other side. But for me, I find that my eyebrows, just brush it up a little bit. I find that my eyebrows are growing, and I'll tell you why. I am putting on my eyebrows at night this brow and lash gel. I'm not quite sure if this has anything to do with it, because I know for a fact I had no brows. And it's coming in slowly. I'm not quite sure if, like I said, if this is the reason, but this is what I put on my gel, and this is the CYO brand. I'm going to link this below for you guys. This is the product up close, as you can see right there. I'm not quite sure if it's upside down or not, or maybe this way. Okay, and it's just a gel, and at night time I put a little bit of this on my lashes, just like so, just before I go to bed. And then I put some on my brows. Anyway, so let's just get started. So I don't really have a lot of hair on my brows to use the comb, because a lot of people have nice thick lashes. I don't. So we're just going to use the brush side, and we're just going to brush what I've got, which is not much. Okay, and we're just going to do the other side, and there we go. So let me see if I can find the eyebrow brush, which is this one here. You can use this one for your eyebrows or to put on, you know, your eyeliners and stuff like that. And I'm going to be using the brow gel that I got from Shien. And believe it or not, guys, this is a very good eyebrow product. I was really iffy about it when I ordered this from Shien, but it's a good one. I'm going to leave the name of this in the description box. I think it's like a chocolate something. So I'm just dipping the brush in there, and we're just going to start putting the eyebrows on. Do you see that? It did a really good job. Now the brush did a really good job, and I do like this eyebrow gel from Shien. Really, really nice. So I'm just going to wipe that down. So I'm going to use my NW40 concealer, And I'm just going to just clean that up a little bit. And I am going to use this tiny brush here, and I'm going to do that. This is my NW40 concealer. So the brushes did a really good job. I really love the way that looks. So let's work on the face right now. This is the Collection Pore Minimizer. I'm going to use the flat top kabuki brush. I'm also going to be using this for my foundation. And I'm going to put a little bit of this on my face, just in the areas where, you know, sometimes the pores are really large. And again, I don't really have large pores on my face. So, and guys, this is a good pore minimizer to have. Trust me, you need to pick this up. And so we're just going to blend this out a little, just around the cheeks and on top of the nose, and just about there. And I do have my facial wipe here, so I'm just going to give that a quick wipe down. And I'm going to be using the same brush, and I'm going to be doing my color correcting. This is the orange one from Revolution. And just some dots here and there on my face. And we're just going to blend. Okay, so while this is settling into my skin, let's work on the eyes right now. This is an eyeshadow palette I got from Next. And sadly, Next is no longer doing online shopping for now because of this situation. And this is what the palette looks like. You guys are going to see a close-up picture of that. Beautiful. You can do some lovely smokiness with this palette. You guys would have also seen this on my Instagram page. I do love the colors. So this is one of the blender brushes, and I am going to use I think the white color. Let me just see if that's a shimmer. I think that might be a shimmer color, but let me just see quickly. Let me do a quick test. I think this might be a shimmer. So this would not work for a transition. I don't think they have any transition in here. Let me just see the gray one. With the gray, the light gray. I'm just gonna put the light gray in here. In the meantime, I don't really care for transition anyway, so we're just gonna do that. And the light gray is very pigmented, so we're just gonna go over here. And there we go. Let's just blend that out. So I'm just putting a little bit of that white on top just to even that out, because this side has a little bit of a shimmer, as you can see, just right there. Because glitter colors or shimmers shouldn't really go on your lids. It's going to make your eyelid look really funny. But so far, this is blending nicely. I'm just going to blend that up on the brow bone there. And yeah, that looks okay. So I'm going to be taking this flat brush here, okay? And I'm just going to see if I can do a cut crease. Okay, so now I'm going to take this brush right here, and I'm going to spray that down a little bit. And I'm just going to tap that off. And I'm just going to go in with the blue shimmer color that's right here, the deep blue shimmer color. And I'm just going to put that right here. that looks really good. So with the same brush, I'm just going to wipe that down quickly, because in this set it's 15 pieces, but you don't have a lot of blender brushes. So I'm going to use the deep blue, and we are just going to put that right there. So I'm gonna just clean this brush down. So I'm gonna take my NW40 and back to the flat brush that I did use to cut my crease, and I'm just going to clean up the sides. There we go. What do you guys think so far? It doesn't look too bad. Really nice. I am going to take my Mellow black gel eyeliner, and I'm going to take I have a brush here with a very, very tiny end. This one right there. So I'm just going to dip that in, and I just want to darken my corners right there. What do you guys think so far? I love that. Okay, using the same brush, I'm just going to line the waterline. So this is another small brush, and I'm going to take the blue that's on my lid, and I'm just going to put this right in the corner of my eyes. Alright, so let me go in with my Dorella Cosmetics. These are in Drama Queen, and I shall pop back in just 1 minute. So I've got the lashes on, and again they are from Dorella Cosmetics. We are going to be working on the face. This is my ordinary foundation in 3.1R, and I'm just going to do a pump on here, put some here and there, and then we're just going to go straight to blending. The brush did a really good job, guys. Really good, blending everything out so nicely. So I'm not going to go in with any concealer today because I want to keep it really simple. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this Collection Illuminating Setting Powder, and I'm just going to use this brush. This is a powder brush. I think this is a powder brush, probably this one too. But I'm just going to use this and give myself just a little highlight under my eyes and pretend that I have a highlighter on. I don't know if you guys can see that. It gives me a little bit of something just right there. Can you see that? And I'm not going in heavy-handed with this at all. Very, very, very light. It just gives me a very gentle, subtle highlight under my eyes. So, and this again is from Collection, and this is Illuminating Setting Powder. So I am going to be going in with some blush, and this is from Shien, and this is called Smoked Rose. I am going to use the angle brush from this set, and I'm going to give myself a little bit of something just about here. just like so. Just like that, guys, just like that. For the lips, we are going to be going in now with some lippy stick. I am going to be using this lip pencil from NARS as a lip liner today. The name of this is going to be left below for you guys. Next, I'm going to be using this NYX lip pencil, and this is called French Made, and you can just wind this up just like that. Let's set everything. This is from Dermacol. This is a long wear makeup fixing spray. And we are done. Let me just go in with my hairspray. You guys know I love this hairspray from Essence, and this is the argan oil and aloe. You can even use this in your natural hair as well. I'm a little blonde today. I love this unit. This unit is from Wiget.co.uk. I'll link it below for you guys just in case you want to pick up on this. We are going to grab our brush. I'm just going to blend that down. We're going to blend this down. I'm going to grab my brush and I'm going to comb my hair. That's what I'm going to do. Alright, so I do have my retractable brush and I've got my Fenty Beauty Who Needs Clothes. Let's just put a little some on, shall we? Just put something on the chest right there. This brush is from Real Techniques. It's retractable. And this is a cover right here. You can get this from Superdrug. It's great to travel with. Very, very, very nice. And there we go. So this is the finished look of the makeup, guys. Everything turned out so nicely. It really wasn't about the makeup today. It was about the brushes. Now, I did not use all of the brushes in this makeup look today, but the brushes performed really, really well. The flat top kabuki brush did a really good job, and everything was just totally fine with the brushes, and I do recommend them for you. I'm going to leave the link in the description box for you guys just in case you want to pick up on a set of these brushes, and I do hope you enjoy this video today. My name is Odette. Thank you guys so much for watching, and let's just see you next time. Bye!